Hi y'all, it's me. Sorry for the delay in posting partners. I will take care of that right now. And so let me get started. Okay, first person's name I drew is Loretta. And Loretta, we will put you with Aaron H. This is, excuse me, Divine. Divine will be with Chevy Girl. Next we'll do Jeanette. And Jeanette, you will be with Louise. Next, we'll do Nikki. And Nikki, your partner will be Deb. Next, we will do Cassandra. Cassandra, your partner will be Dara. Terry, your partner will be Beverly. This is me, and my partner will be Fred. Oh, Fred. Hey. Fred. Next will be Yvonne. And Yvonne will do partnership with Christina. And lastly, we have Dee. And Dee, your partner will be Jen. So there you have it, ladies. Be sure to friend your partner if you haven't already so that you can receive messages from them. And happy scrapping, and remember the due date is the end of May. Thank you. Have fun.